This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video, we're going to give you an overview of the new Blue Starlite Cinema here in Vail, Colorado. We're going to walk around and give you a quick overview of the theater, plus VXP just upgraded their audio and video with 15,000 watts of 7.1 surround sound, our new SilverBright HD 3D movie screen, and that even has 3D capabilities. So here we go, let's take a tour. This is an independent theater and the only independent theater here in Vail, Colorado. They also have a full liquor license. It can do private events and special screenings and theme nights. So it really is a special theater. And just look at the surroundings from their lounge. To have this is just built in. Vail is such a beautiful place anyways, but to have this around your theater just enhances it so well for many special events. It's just beautiful. So now we'll make our way down the red carpet here. As you can see, we've got one screen right in front of us, or double doors in front of us. That's a smaller movie theater. And then over here is the main theater that we did all the improvements on. So let's go inside. So here in the theater, it's about 250 seats. There's a full projection booth upstairs that we'll take a look at in a moment. And then here is our 3D SilverBright movie screen. It's high gain, polarized, with a wide viewing angle and wonderful for 2D and 3D, giving wonderful color, contrast, and more. And as you can see, it's a seamless screen. It's about 30 feet wide. And the theater itself had been vacant for about 10 years. So the screen that was on it looked like to be over 20 years old. It was a typical perforated neutral gain screen. It had definitely seen its better days. And so it was just a vast improvement to be able to add that screen. So next, let's make our way up to the projector booth and we'll show you our audio video setup. So as we look at the theater for one last time, we'll make our way up the stairs to the projection booth area. And I can see you've got a lot of some of the old 35 millimeter equipment back there. So here's the rack that we were able to build for this theater. Typical 3D Blu-ray DVD player. We do have a 2D to 3D converter, which is a feature that they wanted that's also going to be kind of fun. They've got some special uses for that. And the Darbee Video Enhancer. If you don't know about these, just look at the reviews online. Absolutely amazing. And the best preamp for the money, the UMC 200. You can buy anywhere. That's just our opinion. And we've got 15,000 watts of amps for the 7.1 surround sound. For the projector, it's a full native 1080p full 3D. And then VXP also has our modulators that we sell. It basically, you can just rotate it right in front for 3D, push it out. It's only one cable to the projector to set up. Also has the optional motor that will sense when it's in 3D or not and rotate it out of the way or in place automatically, which is a fun feature. But there it is. The whole system set to go here at the Blue Starlite Cinema here in Vail, Colorado. So here at thevisionexperience.com, we look forward to doing any type of custom projects like this based on budget. Anything creative or out there. We love working with you and your budget and your situation and seeing if we can come up with a fun, wonderful solution. And that's it for this video. For more information, you can always check us out at thevisionexperience.com. In our next video, we'll go over some of the setup and actual operation of this equipment. That's it for now.